today. Me and Cole going to look at hopefully one of our new cars. Hey.
Yeah, I'm going to say it's going to be a different one, that's for certain. I don't really know about it, but hopefully it's all going to be solid.
Yeah.
And not broken and not rusted to bits.
And there's not many on the road anymore, apparently. It's going to be interesting. Right, here's a new project for Motorhead UK. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay, it's a little bit tatty. It can be cleaned up.
So how old is it then, Zane?
By my maths, it's 28 years old. It's not bad, man. Okay, it's got a bit of scuffs here, but they're like 28 years old.
A little bit of scuff. Okay. Well, you reckon to get that out with some little polish?
Yeah, a bit of tea-cut, polish. Be brand new, be brand new. It's bad, not bad, man.
Has it got any rust anywhere?
Don't know, haven't looked.
So you just bought this on a wing, did you?
Yeah.
Did the seals not go in properly normally, the windows?
Oh, yeah.
It's
a little bit brittle.
These like play and plug?
Yeah, it is a little bit brittle.
She's rough around the edges.
Yeah.
So what's the interior like then, Zane?
Oh, it's so bad, man. Go around outside, you will see. Right, this is, I want people's opinion on this now. Should I go full custom, like bucket seats, and just have it like that, or should I restore it back how it should be? Tell me. I'm open to comments here.
And you went for the automatic one, did you, Zane?
Oh yeah, I'm being lazy here. I'm getting old.
Yeah.
So also is the weight, apparently.
Is it?
No.
Can we have a look under the bonnet then?
Yeah, it's a two-man job.
So apparently it's a two-man job, but I have to hold this while he lifts it. And he has to find the buckle or something. But I think there's a bull bar. No, he's got it,
Look at the size of that battery there, man.
I bet that goes flat quite quickly, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
And you think about doing any different colours on it, wraps?
I'm thinking purple and pink.
Purple and pink, you're really getting your Fenrir side out now, are we?
I'm thinking in its day.
And then we could get the roof down and you look like a right old female, wouldn't you?
In its day, it used to be like neon colours, so yeah.
You bring it back to the old school, are you?
Yeah. Back to the 90s.
You doing any custom work to it, lowering it, coilovers?
Actually, I'm going to lower it and put neons.
Neons on it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're going proper 90s. Yeah. You're going down South End front. Oh, you're going to take the body kit off and check underneath and see if there's any rust underneath the arches?
No, I'm not going to do that.
Why is that?
Too much hassle.
Why, because there'll probably be rust under there?
Nah. I have been under it, it does look sound. So yeah.